Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I'm sure you're doing well. Okay, now the topic for today is invention. Now, when I say invention, what comes to your mind? Invention means it's an idea, a person had an idea and he brought it out in a thing, okay? He created something new, okay? It wasn't there before. It was invented. Now, if you look around, in early humans' times, did they have buildings like this? No, right? So, from those days till today, we have invented so many things, right? And every time we have progressed. Everything began with a small thing, but it came out like time to time, we made it better. Now, for example, mobile phones. Now, before we had the small keypad mobile, right? Now we have touch screen. So everything is progressing, right? In all the fields. Be it mobiles, TV, gadgets, electronic items or anything, okay? Now in the early humans times, the first thing which was invented was fire. Okay, how was the fire invented? It was invented by chance. Two people, they were rubbing stones together and they happened to ignite fire. It was a new thing which came. Okay. Then they slowly invented wheel. How did they invent wheel? With the trunk of a tree, right? First they saw that a trunk of a tree was rolling down and then they got an idea that yes, we can make a wheel out of it. After cutting the trunk, they can make a wheel out of it, right? So this way we have many inventions. Okay, so let's see some of the famous inventions and who are the famous inventors. Now the person who invented that idea is called the inventor and his thing is called the invention. Okay, come, let's see some of the famous inventions. Okay, students, did you know the concept of counting was this number 0 was invented by Indians, okay? It was called Shunya, see? Okay? So, it's a major invention. Before they did not have 0 in their list, okay? They started from 1, 2, 3, 4. But who invented 0? Indians. Now see how we progressed from ordinary counting to binary calculations to calculations of computer also. We have improved a lot, right? We started from 0 and today we have computer calculations as well. So this was a major invention. Okay. Now, did you know before they did not have alphabets, A, B, C, D. What did they have? They had pictographic ideologies, okay? Like it was pictographic. Everything was in pictures. They had pictures like this. They used to have pictures this way. Everything was sign language. Okay. So on the caves they used to write, and they used to write on walls. They did not even have paper till then. So see, again we have come a long way. We used to write on caves, and then the Chinese invented paper. Okay. The first paper was not like our paper like this. It was in papyrus reed. Okay, it was from the grass and from that grew on the banks of Nile. Okay, now the early paper was handmade. Okay, sometimes it was from wood or other kinds of grass, rags, bamboo, etc. Okay, now waste paper is also recycled and made in fresh paper. Now after the invention of paper, it came into use like for many things, right? We are using paper as a currency for books, and we can write even our grocery list. If we don't have a paper, just imagine how our lives would be. So after the invention of paper, printing press was invented, okay? Johannes Gutenberg, he invented the printing press, okay? The first printing press looked something like this. Okay, students, now see, clothing is very basic requirement, right? We all need it in our day-to-day life. So in India, cotton was always like, hand spun and hand woven. So what used to happen? it used to take a long time. And we also have to separate cotton balls from the seed, okay. So it used to take a long time. So there was this new invention made by Eli Whitney. He made the cotton gin, okay. So that made it easier. Now next, this cotton gin was improved by James Hargreaves. He made the spinning jenny, which made the cotton weaving even more quicker, okay. Now this is the spinning jenny. Okay, students, now about telecommunication. Now, olden days, how they used to communicate? They didn't have mobiles, right? So what they had, they used to, like the kings used to send letters along with the messenger. Like, you know, they used to send a person as messenger and he used to carry it along with them. Okay, he used to take days and months together for one message to reach, you know, from this end to the other end. Now, then slowly we got post office, telecommunication, different methods were introduced, like electromagnetic means, like radio waves, okay. So telephone was a very famous invention. It was made by Alexander Graham Bell, okay. The olden telephone looked something like this. Okay, so with the radio waves, we improved more and advanced, and we also made, it was only for hearing, right? This was only hearing. Next came television, in which we could see also, okay. Now see how an old TV was. Now, do you have a TV like this? No, this is an old TV. Nowadays we have smart TVs also, right? Okay, the next very important invention was computer, and Charles Babbage is the man who invented computer. Now today we have a computer in our hand also, like, you know, laptop, palm tops we have, but those days the computer used to take one whole room space, okay. It was something like this, very big, okay. Now steam power engine, okay. Now steam engine, what is steam? Have you seen a water boiling and then the steam comes up? The same way, James Watt was a person who saw that when the water was boiling, his kettle lid started shaking. So he thought of this steam engine. He thought with this power, with the steam power, he can create an engine. So Mr. James Watt, he is the, you know, he got the idea of steam power, okay. Now his idea was improved more and more. It went till railways. George Stephenson, he invented the first railway. Okay, students, so let's just revise. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press. See, this is the printing press. Then we have spinning jenny by James Hargreaves. This is the spinning jenny. And Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. John Logie, he invented the television. Charles Babbage invented the computer. And George Stephenson invented or initiated the locomotives, the railways. Okay, so students, in the field of medicines, we have advanced a lot, okay. From before till now, we have done a lot of improvement. Now, before, what used to happen, even with a small fever, people would die. But today, we have improved a lot. Now, let's see what are the medical advances we have done, okay. Now, to begin with, the vaccination. Smallpox was such a deadly disease that it used to take lots of people's lives. So this vaccination was invented by Edward Jenner, okay. He invented a vaccination against smallpox. So that was very, it was a very good one, okay. So the first vaccination was smallpox. After that, if you see now, when a small child is born, they have a long list of vaccination, right? DPT, polio, and many more things. So all those vaccinations have come up time to time. So the first one was by Edward Jenner. Okay, then next we have pasteurization. Now what is pasteurization? Pasteurization is a process where the raw milk is processed, okay. Now how it is processed? First it is heated, not to a boiling point, but to 75 degrees, okay. there it stays for 10 minutes and then it is rapidly cooled down to maybe 5 degrees or so. Okay. So this heating and cooling process kills many germs in it. Okay, and it is safe. Now the government has rules that without pasteurization a shop cannot sell the milk. Okay. Now see, this is the process. Okay, this is how it looks like, the heating and the cooling process and everything. It goes on in a way like this. Okay, now who invented this process? Louis Pasteur. It was a very important invention. Okay, then we have antiseptic. Now what is antiseptic? Have you seen antiseptic at home? Dettol, Savlon, all those are antiseptics. Now why was antiseptic cream invented and why is it very important? Because in the field, like when a doctor used to do surgery, the patient used to die. They were like wondering why are they dying? Even after the surgery was successful, why are the patients dying? So then they came to know that when they were using the knife, the small germs used to create infection and they used to have pus, because of which they used to die. So using antiseptic cleared all the germs. Okay, they die off. Nowadays we use hand sanitizer, right? All that is also like antiseptic. It kills off all the germs. Now what was the person's name who invented antiseptic? Was Joseph Lister. Okay, Joseph Lister invented the antiseptic. Then we have antibiotics. When do we get antibiotics from doctor? When our body does not have enough immunity to fight against the germs, the antibiotics are given so that it helps us to cure. Okay. Then this is a stethoscope. Stethoscope is used by a doctor to see the heart rate of a person. Okay, how the blood is flowing from lungs to heart, all that is seen in stethoscope. Now this is a MRI scan. MRI scan means the whole body gets scanned. Okay, any small bit, anything going wrong anywhere, the MRI scan shows it. Okay. Then we have the ultrasound scan. Now this is a fetus of a baby. Okay. Now when a mother is pregnant, the baby can be seen. The internal organs of the baby also can be seen. Okay. Anything going wrong, the doctor will come to know. So this was also an important invention. Then we have this thermometer. This thermometer shows us the temperature of the body. Now this is anesthesia. Anesthesia is given to a person before the surgery. Why? Because the anesthesia makes him numb. Okay, he feels nothing. Even if the doctor cuts him, does anything, he feels nothing there. So it's called anesthesia. Then we have the X-ray. X-ray shows the bone of the body. Okay, anywhere anything is going wrong with the bone, X-ray is taken. So this was the advances done in the medical field. Even today we are searching, right? What are we searching? Medicine for COVID-19. Okay, so this was about the medical field. Now how about space? We have even discovered how our space looks like, right? Before anyone could think of going to a moon? Yes, where? In your dreams, right? Now you can go in a rocket also, right? So rocket was the last frontier like discovered, okay, till date. Like from those days, now the most modern advanced thing we have discovered is the rocket, which can go to moon, Mars, etc. So R.H. Goddard, he invented the rocket. So students, we have come a long way from nothing. Now today we have so many things around us which we have invented, and these famous inventors have invented so many useful things for our day-to-day life. So now read your textbooks thoroughly, and Jazakumullahu khairan.